Hey guys, Mobile Glass here. We are going to do windshield repair. This is on a Cadillac, and you can see right there, nice bullseye. So we'll get started. Might drill just a little bit just to make sure we can inject the resin. So we have a Dremel drill, kind of just the same one that you'd get at Lowe's or Home Depot. The difference is we have a glass bit, which is a super tiny bit, akin to like a dentist drill. Not that anyone wants to think about that. So we'll get started. I'll be right back and explain the rest of it. Alright, so we drilled just a little bit on the surface, and as you can see I have this what is called a bridge assembly. I have this set up right over the spot where the rock impacted the glass, right on the surface, and then set up right over where I drilled. It's kind of hard to tell, but what that is that's where we put the resin. So we're going to place the resin liquid inside there, and then we have what's called a plunger, and that's just basically through pressure and force. We're going to screw it down, and it will force the resin that's liquid into the area that's damaged, and it will displace the air, make it look a lot better, but the big part is it's going to keep it from spreading. So we'll catch up on the next step and keep you guys informed. Thanks for watching. Alright, I just want to show you real quick. We put a UV cover on it just to make sure it's not in direct sunlight, but to keep the ambient light off of it while the resin works its way through. It's been a good 10 minutes, so we're going to move on to the next step. I'll remove the UV cover, and then we'll apply light to it. It looks just like a black light. I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so we've got the UV light on there, and it's curing. You can see already that the chip is mostly filled in. It's kind of hard to see at all. We'll remove the bridge and take a look at it now. What we're going to do next, after we get the light off of it and the bridge assembly removed, we're going to use this pit filler. That's what the PF is for. So it's a little bit harder resin, stronger resin. We're going to use that right on the surface of the glass, keep it nice and smooth, and make sure that when you use your windshield wipers, there's no streaking. It's just a nice smooth surface. So we'll show you the next step in a moment. All right, so we're on the last step before we clean up the windshield itself. You can see it got a little glob there. What that is pit polish. And what we're doing is we're going to clean up that little white area where the resin is left over, the pit filler, and kind of polish it to make it look clearer, like the windshield itself. So give it a couple minutes to dry. I'll rub it in just like you would wax, and then we'll clean up the windshield and take a look at the finished product. All right, now we're finished. So you can see somewhat where it was. It is very difficult. We'll show you from the inside, driver's perspective. Yep, you could sort of make it out right there. So, filled in nicely. If you guys need help with windshield repair replacement, just give us a call. 512-983-4527. Thanks for watching.